Got ourselves a new USB-C gang charger, 65 watt, 3-port fast charging and foldable. Take a look. It's from Pigsjing, unnamed brand from China. What we got here? It does come with cables, which is not really labeled, but it is depicted in the picture. So that's pretty neat. So we got some dual port information here. So it splits off 45 watt, 20 watt max, or 45 and 18 watt, or USB-C with USB-A at 15 watt max. So if you use triple ports, it splits off at 45, USB-C 1, USB-C 2, and USB-A at 7.5 each max. So depending what you're charging, you might want to just use one port. So this is 2 USB-Cs on top, USB-A, foldable, compact, pretty nice travel sized gang charger, 65 watt. Obviously this is not for your laptop because I think minimum is 100 watt. So this is for your iPhone, tablet, or an accessory. Take a look at the cable we got here. It's nice, thick cable, nice bendable, 90-degree angle. Wow, pretty long too. This is sweet. Very nice. Very flexible. Hopefully it lasts a good while. So we got very nice USB-C cable. Yep. All right, let me think what you guys think of this 65 watt gang charger. Pretty compact, travel sized. Looks good to me.